Okay, so let's get these replaced. Got two struts, and they're held in quite simply with a couple of clips either end. So one here, one down here. One, and it will pop off with a bit of persuasion, and the second one is in here. I'll just get some illumination. There we go. You can see that they have actually failed because this one is covered in hydraulic or fluid. So that one has gone internally. So this would be easier with a flat blade, but this one seems to be doing just as good a job, to be honest with you. There we go, there's that one. There's one. So let's quickly compare the size to make sure they are the same size, which they are. So we've got up through there and into here. They actually come with the clip, which is good, so that should press straight on. You don't even need to change the clip, which is handy. And then this one, same story. I'll probably need to raise the boot lid a bit. And I'm going to need both hands for this. And next we just finish off with the other side. just £16 and 5 minutes of work. We now have perfectly working bootlid. Thanks for watching.